What are the colors of the Torres Strait Islander flag? Option 1. Green, blue, black, and white. Option 2. Green, blue, red, and black. Option 3. Green, blue, yellow, and white. The answer is green, blue, black, and white. Explanation: the Torres Strait Islander flag is green, blue, black, and white. Which one of these is not a Northern Territory icon? Option 1. Uluru. Option 2. Port Arthur. Option 3. Ningaloo Coast. The answer is Uluru. Explanation: Northern Territory icons include Uluru, Kata Tjuta, and Kings Canyon. Is the following statement correct? Anyone can deliver an acknowledgement of country. Option 1. True. Option 2. False. The answer is true. Explanation: an acknowledgement of country is usually delivered as part of the welcome and housekeeping at meetings and events. Anyone can deliver an acknowledgement of country. Hobart is the capital of which state or territory? Option 1. Tasmania. Option 2. Northern Territory. Option 3. Australia Capital Territory. The answer is Tasmania. Explanation: Tasmania's capital city is Hobart. Much of the island has unspoilt wilderness landscapes. What are the mainland territories of Australia? Option 1. Australian Capital Territory and Northern Territory. Option 2. Australian Capital Territory and Southern Territory. Option 3. Northern Territory and Australian Eastern Territory. The answer is Australian Capital Territory and Northern Territory. Explanation: the question or the correct option is the explanation. Which state or territory is home to many large mining projects? Option 1. Western Australia. Option 2. South Australia. Option 3. Eastern Australia. The answer is Western Australia. Explanation: Western Australia is the largest state. Perth is the capital city of Western Australia. The east of the state is mostly desert, while the southwest is a rich agricultural and wine-growing area. The state is home to many large mining projects. What states and territories celebrate Australia Day as a public holiday? Option 1. Queensland, Victoria, and New South Wales. Option 2. Western Australia, South Australia, and New South Wales. Option 3. All states and territories. The answer is all states and territories. Explanation: Australia Day is a public holiday in every state and territory in Australia. What do the points of the white star on the Torres Strait Islander flag represent? Option 1. The island groups in the Torres Strait. Option 2. The Torres Strait Islander people. Option 3. All Torres Strait Islanders. The answer is the island groups in the Torres Strait. Explanation: the points of the white star represent the island groups in the Torres Strait. What do you promise your loyalty to during the citizenship ceremony? Option 1. Government of Australia. Option 2. The King and the Royal Family. Option 3. Australia and its people. The answer is Australia and its people. Explanation: at the citizenship ceremony, you pledge your loyalty to Australia and its people. What does the Commonwealth Coat of Arms represent? Option 1. It represents our national unity. Option 2. It represents the royal family. Option 3. It represents the power of Australian government. The answer is, it represents our national unity. Explanation: The Commonwealth coat of arms is the official symbol of the Commonwealth of Australia. It represents our national unity. It identifies the authority and property of the Commonwealth of Australia. How many mainland territories are in Australia? Option 1, 2. Option 2, 4. Option 3, 3. The answer is 2. Explanation: Australian Capital Territory, Act, and Northern Territory, NT. What is the color of the Australian Aboriginal flag bottom half? Option 1, red. Option 2, black. Option 3, blue. The answer is red. Explanation: the bottom half is red and represents the earth, which has ceremonial significance. What is the Commonwealth of Australia? Option 1, a federation of states and territories. Option 2, a federation of states. Option 3, a federation of territories. The answer is a federation of states and territories. Explanation: the Commonwealth of Australia is a federation of states and territories. There are 6 states and 2 mainland territories. What is the name of the strait that separates Tasmania from mainland Australia? Option 1, Bass Strait. Option 2, Barossa Strait. Option 3, Torres Strait. The answer is Bass Strait. Explanation: Tasmania is the smallest state, separated from the mainland by the Bass Strait. What was Australia's population in 1901? Option 1, about 4 million. Option 2, about 1 million. Option 3, about 10 million. The answer is about 4 million. Explanation: in 1901, Australia's population was about 4 million. This number did not include Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. Which one of these is a Western Australia icon? Option 1, Margaret River. Option 2, Opera House. Option 3, Great Barrier Reef. The answer is Margaret River. Explanation: Western Australia's icons include the Ningaloo Coast, Margaret River, and the Kimberley region. In the Torres Strait Islander flag, what do the black lines represent? Option 1, the Torres Strait Islander people. Option 2, the sea. Option 3, the land. The answer is the Torres Strait Islander people. Explanation: the black lines represent the Torres Strait Islander people. What was established under the new Australian Constitution in 1901? Option 1, Australia's national democratic institutions, including the National Parliament, Government, and the High Court. Option 2, Australia's national democratic institutions, excluding the National Parliament and the High Court. Option 3, Australia's national democratic institutions, excluding the High Court. The answer is Australia's national democratic institutions, including the National Parliament, Government, and the High Court. Explanation: it was at this time that our national democratic institutions, including our National Parliament, Government, and the High Court, were established under the new Australian Constitution. What is Australia's national flower? Option 1, the golden wattle. Option 2, the warrata. Option 3, the Cooktown orchid. The answer is the golden wattle. Explanation: Australia's national flower is the golden wattle. This small tree grows mainly in southeastern Australia. What are the colors of the Australian Aboriginal flag? Option 1, black, red, and yellow. Option 2, black, red, and white. Option 3, blue, green, and white. The answer is black, red, and yellow. Explanation. The question or the correct option is the explanation.